Let's go ahead and begin to improve the appearance of our theme. A good first step is to add a logo file. Now by default, Drupal is actually looking for a logo to display on the page. So if we go back to the home page, I'm just going to go ahead and click home again here in the breadcrumbs. There's not a logo that you see, however there is a logo that's being looked for. So if we open up Firebug again, we can go to the Net tab right here to view the files that are being downloaded with this page. And this will show us any files that are attempting to be downloaded but don't exist. So if we go ahead and scroll down this page, we see this giant red item right here for logo.png. Now this is because Drupal is looking for a default logo.png file inside of our theme directory, and it doesn't exist yet. So if we want a very simple way to add a logo, all we need to do is create that logo.png file, and we can just copy it from an existing theme. I'm going to jump back to the directory of the Drupal site, and I'm going to go ahead and click on the themes directory here. I'm going to go ahead and expand it. I'm going to go ahead and expand Bartik here. And let's go ahead and copy the logo.png file right here. Go ahead and copy it. And now we want to paste it in our current theme. So I'm going to go ahead and expand the sites directory here. Expand all, themes, bat, and we're going to paste it in bat. Okay, now we have our logo file right here. Now if we go back to the browser and refresh it, we'll see our logo file at the top. Pretty simple. Now the reason why this works is because our theme is using a page.tpl.php file, which is the template file that's used for the overall page, that exists in Drupal core. And in that template file, there's a logo file that's being referenced. That logo file URL is generated by looking at what the currently enabled theme is, and then simply adding logo.png to the end of that. If we wanted to change the position of our logo, for example, what we would need to do is to alter the page.tpl.php file, or the page template file, by overriding it in our theme. And so that's exactly what we're going to take a look at next.